Hello guys, thought I'd give you a quick update this week on what we got done with the motor for the 69 A production Corvette that we race in SVRA. There she is there. Excuse me. As you know from the last video, video number 1, this will be video number 2, getting the motor prepped. So this week we ended up ordering a new oil pump. The oil pump that I had got damaged and had some shrapnel run through it from when I had a valve meet the piston. So I had to get a new oil pump. That came in from Nutter Racing. I'll leave a link below, but AC Nutter, his nephew Brian and his wife Jan. I called on Monday. They had it shipped out Monday afternoon and I got it Wednesday, but very great to deal with. If you ever need a dry sump oil pump for your car, they were absolutely fantastic to deal with and got it out very quickly. Likewise, as you know from watching my last video, I'm working with AMT Performance here in St. Louis, Missouri, Doug and Tim. And I just went up Saturday after I ordered some parts for my headers so we can get the headers on for the dyno, which is also going to CMC Performance, also here in St. Louis. AMT and CMC work together, so we'll be getting the car on the dyno here shortly. I was hoping to get it on this weekend, but as you'll see in this video, we got the motor all together, got the pan put back on, the top end's all on. Doug went through and did a little touch up on the ports for the Edelbrock Performer intake, and got the valve covers on. We got the new oil pump on. We got the all the drive accessories on the front of the motor, and as you can see here, we got the oil pressure up, and the oil will run through the motor, and all the oil lines run. So next in the next video, you'll see us getting it on the dyno up at CMC at Chip Hackman's shop, and we'll get this thing going. But I wanted to share a little short video. Again, we're running a GM block. Do have a GM crank that's been shot peened. We've got 6-inch I-beam connecting rods. We've got a crane cam, all the valve train, and higher compression, 11.5 to 1 pistons. So you'll see it all coming together here shortly, and please don't hesitate to comment below or ask any questions below. And curious what you guys think we'll have for horsepower here. It'll be interesting to see what comes up. So enjoy the video. We'll have 2 videos this week. I got some more information coming up on our C8 Corvette, which is also sitting here. We went out and took some video today with another friend of ours. Has a red C8, which you may have seen in one of my other couple of videos we did on the C8 Corvette. But my buddy Mark went and took some more drive-by pictures today and just kind of goofing off. But anyway, please like, subscribe, and please follow, and don't hesitate to comment. It helps me get some extra credit with YouTube on my videos. And again, subscribe because you'll want to see what's going on as we get ready for Sebring the week of the 18th to the 21st, Sebring, Florida, SVRA, Sports Car Vintage Racing Association. So thanks again. And also thanks again to Registry of Corvette Race Cars, who I'm sharing this on their Facebook channel, as well as my own Facebook stuff and Instagram. So that's the short, and I may have some more stuff at the end of this video, but I'll look forward to sharing it and see you guys soon. That's how you can tell how long your engine shop's been in business. Running out of parts to put in her. Shuffling it down now.
Alright, you see that oil pressure gauge on the back? Yeah, I see it.
45. 50, 52, 52, 52.
52.
55, pretty dead on.
Hard on 55?
Yep. Yep, dead on 55.
Ooh, now we're cooking. Okay.
54, 55. Dead nuts on 55.
55?
50, oh, there we go, 57.
57?
57, pretty dead on.
Good pumping.
Looks good now, isn't it? Yeah, pretty dead nuts on 57. Steady. Definitely circulating it.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Registry of Corvette Race Cars. So Jan Hyde, a lot of you guys who may be watching this video already know Jan, but you should log on here. You can go in here and find out pretty much anything you want to know about Corvette race cars. Join on Facebook, you follow on Twitter, Instagram. Got all kinds of racing action from IMSA, Trans Am, Pirelli. You're obviously just reading this, but anyway, you ought to take a look and see what else is going on in the world of Corvette race cars.